The Honda HA-420 HondaJet is the first general aviation aircraft developed by Honda Aircraft Company. The lightweight business jet is being developed and manufactured in Greensboro, North Carolina, USA. The program is undergoing the type certification process with the Federal Aviation Administration, with aircraft type certification targeted for the first quarter of 2015. Aircraft deliveries will follow immediately after. Development. Honda began to study small-sized business jets in the late 1980s, using engines from other manufacturers. Honda designed experimental aircraft, which fabricated and assembled at Mississippi State University unregistered trademark S-Raspit Flight Research Laboratory as part of the Honda airplane project in the late 1980s and early 1990s. The second aircraft, the Honda HA-420, was an all-composite business jet and had two Pratt JT-15D engines. Testing on the experimental aircraft concluded in 1996, and Honda decided to end this research project. The company wanted to focus its resources on the competitive automobile industry. Compelled by the research and a passion to build a better aircraft, Honda engineer Mikasa Fujino decided to propose a new project, the HondaJet, to management. In 1997, Fujino sketched a new concept design for a lightweight business jet and presented his idea and business case. At a board meeting in December 1997, Fujino persuaded the board to support the project. He was responsible for development of the HondaJet program. For the next 2 years, Fujino conducted extensive testing and analysis to prove the HondaJet design concept. He identified the precise location to position the engines over the wing in an effort to reduce drag at high speeds. His research demonstrated that the optimum over-the-wing engine mount configuration achieves lower drag and higher efficiency at high speeds. Fujino was recognized by the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics in 2012 for this finding when he was awarded the AIAA Aircraft Design Award. In October 2000, Honda and Americas established a research facility at the Piedmont-Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina, for fabricating and flight testing the HondaJet. 3 years later, the HondaJet made its maiden flight in December 2003. It debuted to the public at the EAA Adventure Air Show in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, in July 2005. On July 25, 2006, Honda returned to Oshkosh to announce it will commercialize the HondaJet. Honda established Honda Aircraft Company in August 2006 to seek both type and production certification of the HondaJet. Production is taking place in the United States. The company began taking customer orders in the fall of 2006. In August 2006, Honda and Piper Aircraft announced a business alliance to market the HondaJet. In May 2010, major assembly of a type-conforming airframe started. Components included the composite fuselage, metal wings, empennage, landing gear and over-the-wing mounted engine pylons. Work then progressed to integrate major systems, including electrical, hydraulic and environmental control. The first conforming engine was to be delivered in the third quarter of 2010 and be installed on the aircraft. Honda Aircraft planned to begin static testing of a conforming airframe in May 2010. The maiden flight of the first plane was scheduled for November 2010. Because of delays in some components, the flight actually took place on the 21st of December 2010. FAA certification and delivery were repeatedly delayed, including for a year because of engine susceptibility to ice damage. 6 aircraft have been built to support the development and certification program. This includes 4 flight test aircraft and 2 structural test aircraft. With the engine having achieved certification, the aircraft's certification is targeted to be in the first quarter of 2015. Design. The HondaJet includes a series of design innovations including an over-the-wing engine mount configuration, natural laminar flow wing and nose, and composite fuselage structure. These combine to achieve high speed, better fuel efficiency, and a larger, more spacious cabin than other light jets in this class of aircraft. Over-the-wing engine mount configuration. Honda decided to go with an unusual over-the-wing podded engine configuration. Placing the engines over the wing reduces aerodynamic drag at high speeds, achieves better fuel efficiency, and allows for more space within the cabin. An over-the-wing engine configuration was also used on the Vereinigte Flugtechnische VFW 614, a 44-seat German airliner, in the early 1970s. The VFW 614 was designed for eliminating ingestion problems and weight, whereas the HondaJet Euro unregistered trademark S innovative, over-the-wing engine mount configuration was designed for achieving lower wave drag at a high Mach number. Natural laminar flow wing and fuselage nose. In designing the HondaJet, a new NLF airfoil was developed that, according to the Journal of Aircraft, exhibits a high drag divergence Mach number. This helps to reduce drag on the aircraft at high speeds. The wing skins are made from structurally reinforced single sheets of aluminum. 6. The use of a single sheet allows for a smoother surface than more conventional methods. In addition to wind tunnel tests, flight testing on wing section were done on a T-33 Shooting Star, modified by AVTEL Services, Incorporated, and flight tested at the Mojave Airport. Composite fuselage structure. The fuselage itself is made from lightweight composite materials. Co-cured composite and honeycomb sandwich structures are combined to create a new composite structure for a lighter airframe. Honda claims that the combination of lightweight materials, aerodynamics and efficient engines gives the HondaJet 20% better fuel efficiency than similar aircraft. Power plant. Honda began developing its own small turbofan engine, the HF-118, in 1999. This led to the HF-120, developed with GE Aviation under the GE-Honda partnership. The HF-120 was test-flown on a Cessna Citation CJ-1. The engine features a single fan, a two-stage compressor and a two-stage turbine. The GE Honda HF-120 received FAA type certification on December 13, 2013. Avionics. The aircraft is equipped with a touchscreen 3-display Garmin G3000 glass cockpit system. Production. The aircraft will be made at Piedmont Triad International Airport, Greensboro, North Carolina, USA. The plant for making the aircraft was started in 2007 and was completed in late 2011. In July 2011, the company allowed members of the media to tour the facility, which was still under construction. At that time, company representatives announced that certification was expected, and production of the airplane would begin late in 2012. In 2008, Honda executives predicted that they would sell 70 planes per year. In July 2011, they indicated their plan was to produce 70 to 100 planes per year. October 29, 2012, Honda Aircraft Company announced that its HA-420 HondaJet business jet is entering production. At the European Business Aviation Association Convention and Exhibition in May 2014, Honda Aircraft Company reported that the first production HondaJet was in final assembly with its first flight anticipated in the summer of 2014. Sales and dealer network. Honda Aircraft Company began sales in the United States for the HondaJet at the National Business Aviation Association Convention and Exhibition on October 17, 2006. The company reported it received more than 100 orders. In March 2008, Honda Aircraft announced the expansion of HondaJet sales to Mexico and Canada. This was followed by an announcement in May 2008 at the European Business Aviation Convention and Exhibition in Geneva, Switzerland, that HondaJet sales will be expanded to include Europe. The HondaJet is currently offered for sale in the US, Canada, Mexico and most of Europe. The price is $4.5 million. Program milestones. A Euro sent the proof of concept HondaJet achieved first flight on December 3, 2003. The flight took place at the Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. A Euro sent the HondaJet makes its world debut on July 28, 2005 at EAA AirVenture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. A Euro cent Honda announced on July 25, 2006 at EAA AirVenture Oshkosh that it will commercialize the HondaJet. A Euro cent the first FAA-conforming HondaJet achieved its first flight on December 20, 2010. A Euro cent on March 11, 2011, the the first FAA-conforming HondaJet achieved a maximum speed of 425 ktas at 30,000 feet and Mach 0.72 above 30,000 feet. Sent on April 27, 2011, the first FAA-conforming HondaJet achieved its maximum operating altitude of 43,000 feet. Sent the third FAA-conforming HondaJet achieved its first flight on November 18, 2011. Sent the fourth FAA-conforming HondaJet achieved its first flight on May 4, 2012. Sent in October 2012, Honda Aircraft Company announced it had moved into aircraft production. Sent on May 16, 2013, the fifth FAA-conforming HondaJet made its first flight. The aircraft is blue and features a gold stripe. Sent on December 20, 2013, the FAA issued type inspection authorization for the HondaJet. Sent on May 19, 2014, Honda Aircraft announced that the first production HondaJet was in final assembly with its first flight anticipated in the summer. 9 aircraft were on the assembly line. Specifications, data from Honda Aircraft Company. General characteristics: Sent crew, 1 to 2 crew members. Sent capacity, 5 to 6 passengers. Exterior dimensions: Sent length, 42.62 feet. Sent wingspan, 39.76 feet. Sent height, 14.90 feet. Interior dimensions: Sent height, 4.80 feet. Sent length, 17.80 feet. Sent width, 5.00 feet. External baggage space total, 66 cubic feet. Within aft section, 57 cubic feet. Within nose section, 9 cubic feet. Engines: Euro 2 sensor, GE Honda HA-420 turbofan engines, 2,050 pound-forces thrust each. Performance: Sent maximum cruise speed, 483 miles per hour. TAS 778 kilometers per hour at floor 300. Sent maximum cruise altitude, 43,000 feet. Sent range, 1,180 nautical miles. NBAAIFR. Sent rate of climb, 3,990 feet per minute. Garmin G3000 glass cockpit. See also, edit. Sent very light jet related development. Sent Honda MH-02 related lists. Sent list of business jets. Sent list of very light jets. See also, very light jet, related development, Honda MH-02, aircraft of comparable role, configuration and era, Embraer Phenom 100, Embraer Phenom 300, related lists, list of business jets, list of very light jets, references. External links, official HondaJet website, GE Honda Aero Engines, airliners.net, the Honda HA-420 HondaJet, behind the curtain, AOPA Online, Mississippi State University Raspet Flight Research Laboratory, GKN Aerospace to produce fuselage for HondaJet.